During those 18 weeks, the boot camp has been revamped and evolved, for like a better word, from an 18-week boot camp to an 8-week boot camp. But when I went through in the first cohort, it was 18 weeks and it was pretty intense. 5 days a week, 2 hours a night. There were office hours, lots of great labs, lots of camaraderie, really. The networking in and of itself was worth the money. You met so many people that were just open to listen, to help, to challenge you. We would do the labs together, post classes over. We would meet up on the side. People would start up Discord servers so that we could meet up in the weekends. And it was just a super fantastic just environment to be in. Truth be told, I did not pass the initial examination. And I'm not ashamed to say that because I tried. And I have a personal mantra. It's like, if you're not failing, you're not trying. My TAs, Vikash Sharma and Puneet Singh, they both came to bat for me because I reached out to them and said, hey, I want a second try. Give me another exam. Let me see if I could hit it, out of the box. And I guess they took the whole totality of the circumstances. I was at that time, it was a rough year. I was working 12-hour days, days off were canceled. I was still working on my master's. So there were times when I probably should have done better with keeping up with the material, and catching up, especially in a boot camp type of environment, can be difficult, but it was a huge lesson learned. And it was very important for me afterwards. So I get a second opportunity to take a separate exam, and I passed.